Hi, my name is Saad Hamadi. Would you like to learn how to make an amazing yet super professional website? Let me show you. It's 2016, and if you still think that building a website needs programming skills and thousands of dollars worth of cost, I am here to show you how you can build this amazing killer website and build it yourself. There are lots of website tutorials out there, but they are almost all made by web designers. And while the design element is critical for a website, building a website should be approached from a marketing and business point of view. And that's where I come in. To maximize the return over investment when building a website, your website needs to be well designed, but it also needs to be well optimized for search engines, and then it needs to be well converting. The website I'm about to show you how to build incorporates design elements that are inspired by big companies like Apple, Living Social, Airbnb, Spotify, Uber, and some other multi-billion-dollar companies. If you're an entrepreneur with a business idea, or if you're a freelancer, photographer, blogger, or any kind of small to medium business, or especially if you ever thought about having an online home business, then I'm confident you will benefit greatly from watching this tutorial. I will show you how to build this website step by step. The ideal student for this course is anyone who wants to make an amazing website like this one. And by the end of this course, you will have learned how to build this entire website with every page on it. And not only are we going to build this website, but we're going to optimize it before we even launch it, so that we can hit the ground running by the time the website goes live. Maybe you don't know this, but 93% of purchase decisions start using a search engine search. And yet about half of all small businesses still do not have websites. And even those that do never optimize them. So odds are in your favor if you haven't started, or if you already have a website that needs a facelift or some optimization. This website is also responsive, which means that it will resize nicely on all mobile devices. This website will be built using the popular WordPress platform, and for the theme, we're going to use the Sydney theme, which is the highest rated free theme on WordPress. I am confident that this is the best website design tutorial Udemy has. So please enroll, and I will see you inside the course.